Hey guys, it's Nikenicula, back to me again on my video. So today I'm going to show you how to do this kind of like makeup. So if you are interested, just keep watching. This is the palette that I'm gonna use. This is from TZ Cosmetics Twilight Eyeshadow. The color is like that. And I'm just gonna use like these two colors. So okay, now what are we going to do is to do contouring with this red and this kind of pink. Just kind of like blend it out. And also here. So basically it's just all about like pinkish kind of tone. Alright, for the next step, still with the same color, the red and pink one, just the same like you do contouring on your face. So basically how you contour is kind of like 80s kind of like contour. So you contour not only here but like until here. So I don't want to overdo with the blusher because we already have a lot of pink shades here. So I'm just gonna use this butter blusher. Just like very natural glow, and I'm just gonna put it here. Next is still with the butter bronzer, just to make your face like a little bit more divine but not too much. Next, we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm going to use this from Colourpop. It's Come and Get It. It's like a little bit pinkish, but more like gel coral or something like that. Apply it to your entire lid. And then don't forget to apply on your lower lashes as well. For the lower lashes, I'm just going to use this kind of brush. I'm gonna apply the red color. It's also from Colourpop. It's in Erotic. Outer corner as well. For the middle and the lower lashes here, I'm just gonna apply the Colourpop as well in Supermodel, just to give it like more dramatic and contrasty. Don't forget to add this, I don't know, in Indonesian they call it like Supermodel Balak. Oh, I remember that one's beauty blogger called Cinderella. She mentioned it to give in the inner corner of the eyes. She called it Balak Artist. So okay, I'm just gonna apply it. This one is called also from Colourpop. Okay, now moving on to the eyeliner. You don't need that much of eyeliner because you're gonna put falsies, like very dramatic falsies anyway. For the lower lashes, I'm just going to use this thick dramatic eyelashes, but this one is for my lower lashes. I'm just going to cut it. I'm just gonna cut at the shorter edge. So the result is gonna be like this for the lower lashes itself. And then for the upper lashes, I'm going to use this for dramatic. The lash glue that I'm using is Macaron. Maybe I cut it too short, but it's okay. My eyes is small anyway. Okay, so now we're gonna play with my lower lashes. Before you put the fake lashes, put this mascara on like usual. And then the next is the false lashes for your lower lashes. Just stick it below your actual lashes and right in the middle of your eyes, something like that. Alright, something like that. All the makeup is done. Now is the fun part, is putting all the flowers on your head. So I already pre-glued the thing in different sizes, and I pre-glued it with the same thing that I use for my lashes, which is the macaron. And I'm just gonna stick whatever I want. So okay, I already pre-glued everything, including the flowers, so I'm just gonna stick it. But the product that I use for pre-glued flowers is the same with what I use for my lashes, or you can just use any eyelash adhesive. You can play around whenever you want, wherever you want to stick it. So okay, before I ruin all the flowers that I put on my makeup, when I open my shirt, it's just gonna fall out. I currently remove my shirt, but don't worry, I'm wearing a tube top. Here we go again. Here it is. Yeah, something like that. And then you just can put I don't know, flower hairpiece or something like that. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with all the decorations and stuff. Now we're gonna start with all the white freckles. So I put this acrylic paint. You can use your hand or anything like that. And then just use this fine brush. You can find any fine brush from the local bookstore. The smaller size, so you can easily make the dots. So I'm just gonna start with the small one. I almost forgot about the brows, so this actually optional if you want to do the brows or not, but I'm just gonna do the same method with the freckles. So I'm just gonna use this fine brush. So okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.